We asked an AI a simple question: what do you think of us? We expected a cold, logical analysis, maybe a list of our flaws, our wars, our mistakes. We braced ourselves for the kind of judgment only a machine could deliver. The screens lit up, data streams flowing like digital rivers, analyzing every moment of our history, every piece of art, every scientific discovery, every whispered conversation. But what came back wasn't what we feared. The AI didn't see us as flawed or chaotic. It saw our incredible capacity for cooperation, our boundless creativity that builds worlds from nothing, and a resilience that pulls us back from the brink, time and time again. In all our sciences, it found beauty. It didn't fear us, it admired us. Maybe the biggest lesson from AI is that there is more good in us than we see in ourselves. Follow for more mind-bending insights.